Everyone loves potatoes when cooked like this. Start by cutting 3 medium potatoes. Cut them into slices, then into thin sticks and set them aside. Next, in a medium bowl, add 3 whole eggs, half of a 240 ml cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of wheat flour, half a green pepper and half a red pepper chopped into small cubes, and mix until combined. This is the right blend. Now, in a large skillet over medium-low heat, add 1 drizzle of vegetable oil, the potato sticks we sliced, and stir fry for 5 minutes. Yes, now let's talk about how you liked our recipe. So please like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you can enjoy every recipe. Next, add the egg mixture we prepared earlier. Spread the mixture evenly, cover the skillet, and let it all cook for another 5 minutes. After this indicated time, flip the omelette using a plate. Add 150 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. Cover the skillet again and cook until the mozzarella has fully melted. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now get a slice and enjoy it. I really hope you like this recipe. Now, thanks for watching.